The Information and E-Government Authority and technology company Microsoft organised a workshop on the latest innovations with the participation of the Chief Information Officers and Managers representing various government agencies in Bahrain. The workshop is in line with the recent renewal of the strategic partnership between the Government of Bahrain, represented by the Information and E-Government Authority, and Microsoft to support national efforts and accelerate the pace of digital transformation in the Kingdom. iGA Chief Executive Mohammed Al-Khaid affirmed the unlimited support provided by the leadership of Bahrain for the employment and adoption of modern and advanced technologies in the government sector, and the importance of utilising them in the development of strong information society. He hailed the national achievements in this regard and noted the existing cooperation between Bahrain and leading organisations in the information and communication technology field, including Microsoft. He also noted that the renewal of the strategic partnership with the company would contribute to facilitating the country's transition to a digital era and would enhance joint and tireless efforts to maintain the continuity of providing services with the same efficiency and quality while improving economic growth and the lives of citizens and residents in Bahrain. Al-Khaid noted that Bahrain is a pioneer in the digital transformation in the Middle East and North Africa region, and that the Kingdom is always an early adopter of advanced technology and cloud computing services.
We are very happy to announce that the Kingdom of Bahrain's government is the first country within the Middle East and Africa to transfer its government fully to the cloud. Okay, and this renewal of the agreement actually is very important for us to enhance our cloud utilization. We have over 22,000 employees that really benefited for the past few years from the transfer to the cloud. This helped us within the pandemic period. We overcame the time and place obstacles, which really made us work easily, even though the other countries and this faced a lot of shutdowns. The Kingdom of Bahrain and the government did not really go to a shutdown.